And we got another beautiful day here at Passo Giau. It's really an amazing location. Honza, Jan, and Johan, they will drive to Germany today. They finish their 10 days here on the Dolomites. We see, it seems we pretty much started, and it's just amazing. It's so many places you can visit here. We're gonna take it a little bit more slowly right now. That's right. Well, camping today. We were up at Passo Giau, and the last days we have rain, clouds, so we realize, and it's Monday, so all my client will come back after the weekend asking for a vision re-export and changes on my work. So we realize we have pretty flat batteries because we even didn't move that much in the last days, and the camping is not even that expensive. It's €7 per person plus €10 for the place with electricity. And always when they ask about the dogs, how many, I say one and a half. So the lady was pretty nice and she added just one dog to the bill. So yeah, it's where we're gonna stay for the night, and tomorrow morning hopefully we're gonna keep working and, you know, pretty much I would say do the job for the rest of the week. I would say just today, Monday morning, as always. Early morning for us, it's 5 o'clock, but we woke up at 4. That's what happened when a puppy jump in your face. Pretty much already at the second coffee, and just here at the bottom of this beautiful mountain, Monte Pelvo. So we're a little bit more south from the area of the Dolomites that we visit with our friends, and we're going a little bit more south to see the Dolomites around Belluno slowly, and then coming back in a circle and just wander around. nice to wake up early. Sometimes it's a little bit too early even for us. But I slept a lot yesterday. I have to refill my energy, like the batteries of the van. Always good to find this kind of parking. Just easy for the dog, so they can just wander around without us being worried about cars and other stuff. And there's a lot here on the Dolomites, by the way. So in a bit, the only thing is about waking up early is that you have to wait for the entire world to wake up. So we're gonna have to wait the market to open. But yeah, sun is almost out. It's 5:26 right now, and it's almost hitting the mountain. So I will get my drone out. Good morning, guys. So here the other parking spot we found. The forest ranger told us that here it's fine and it's pretty good. And there's no signs about dog on the leash. I mean, there's one, but he's up there, not here. So the area is fine. Can you hear the cows? They have bells here. Yeah. So yeah, this will be the place for today and tonight. Beautiful sunny day on the Dolomites.